Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a quick and easy glow effect in Premiere Pro. So firstly open up your Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I already have a video footage onto my timeline. Now what you have to do for creating a flashing effect is just simply duplicate this particular video footage by holding Alt and dragging it upwards. You can also do the same in Mac by pressing Command and doing the same thing. Now just simply hide the original footage by pressing on the eye icon over here. Then search for Luma in the effects panel. Then simply drag and drop Luma key onto the first layer over here. Then increase the cutoff. By doing this, we are telling Premiere Pro that we want the effect to be applied on this particular building. So after doing this, just simply click on the eye icon over here and unhide the original layer. Now again search for Gaussian blur. Just simply scroll down and drag and drop Gaussian blur on the first layer. Now increase the blurriness to your liking. As you can see, it is already starting to glow a little bit. You can also play with the cutoff over here to make it more realistic. And you can also play with overlays in the opacity over here. Let's say for example, if we go and click on linear dodge ADD, it will give a very intense and bright look, which we want exactly for this particular building. Or you can also add another effect called HLS. Then just simply drag and drop the color balance HLS onto the first layer. And then down here you can adjust all hue, lighting and saturation. So that's how you can make a glow effect in Premiere Pro. And thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.